want to have 6 cords to work with. Take the 3 cords on the left, and you're going to place them under these 2 middle cords. Now you're going to take this cord on the right, under these 3 cords, over these 2, and through the opening. Under these 3 cords, over these 2 cords, and through the opening. And then pull everything together. You want to keep these 3 cords parallel to each other as they are. Don't let them twist like that. They're going to continue all the way through. Now take these 3 cords under these 2. So take this cord under these 3 cords, over these 2, and through the opening. And then you pull them all together, again keeping these 3 cords parallel, not having them cross over. Under, under, over, through. Just adjust every time to get them nice and even.